And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a dark light photo filter in Adobe Photoshop. We're going to use 4 adjustment layers in total. The first one is the color lookup, and under 3D load file we'll use a preset called Foggy Night. Next one is a gradient map, and we will set the blending mode to soft light. Now click on a gradient and we'll use the third option, black and white. If you can't see that, go to the settings icon and reset your gradients. So we've got black and white, and we want to create a third point in the middle. Just left click under the scale, then click on the color, and we'll change the color to something like this. Kind of like a silver gold touch. You can drag it around left to right to make it brighter or darker depending on the image that you use. The third adjustment layer that we want to use is brightness and contrast. Once again, it depends on the image that you use, but in this case I want to have more contrast, and the brightness is just fine. The last adjustment layer is the levels adjustment, and we can drag the midtones around and make it once more brighter or darker. That's fine for this example. If you don't like the overall result, you can always go back to the gradient map. Just click on the scale and change the center color. As I said, it depends on the image that you use and the original light that's in the image. Alright, I like that result. And now you can see how it was changed from a very bright to a very dark light photo thanks to these 4 adjustments. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.